Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be talking about AI. And the big thing, takeaway from this is, will AI take CAD jobs? And the truth designers need to hear. Well, I get a lot of requests to model things for people, airplanes, and a lot. And what I do first, I will use AI to search for the model itself to see has it been modeled already before I do it. And if I can find it modeled already, then I'll use that model itself for my modeling. And then if it has not been modeled before, then I'll use my own modeling techniques. I'll find pictures of it and then go ahead and model it that way. But in my mind, there's no sense in reinventing the wheel every time you want to model something. And a lot of times, things are already done for you. So AI will help you find those things too. And a lot of times, like I said, it's already done for you. You just have to organize it into what you want to do. So the thing is, will AI take CAD jobs? You can talk to some AI and it will give you a picture, and then you convert that picture into a model itself and 3D print it. So you don't really need any CAD skills right there. So let's talk about this some more. So again, will AI take CAD jobs? The short answer to that is yes and no. And long answer, what I think is that's what we're going to be digging in today, because the real story isn't about AI replacing designers. It's about who gets replaced and who gets promoted. And if you're a CAD designer or an engineer or maker watching this video might either scare you or seriously level you up. Now, why is everybody freaking out about this? Every few months, we see another headline like AI designs the parts in seconds, or AI replaces engineers, or AI generated CAD models. And honestly, I get it. If you spent years learning Fusion 360, SolidWorks, some CADIA or NX, or any other type software, that you feel is good for you, it's you may be a little scared. But here's a key question nobody asks: what part of CAD work is AI actually good at? Most people think CAD jobs are about drawing shapes. They're not. Real CAD work is about understanding design intent, managing constraints, balancing manufacturability, working with tolerances, knowing materials, communicating with engineers, machinists, and manufacturers. And AI doesn't understand why a part exists. It just predicts shapes based on patterns. And that difference matters. You design the part. AI doesn't know why you're designing it. Now, let's be honest. AI is already changing CAD. Now, AI is great at generative design, topology optimization, auto routing, drafting repetitive features, cleaning up parametric trees, suggesting dimensions. And, if your CAD is mostly just redrawing legacy parts, simple brackets, repetitive modeling, it's following things step by step. Now, those jobs are at risk, not because AI is smart, but because the work is predictable. So AI can do those rather quickly because they're predictable. Now, what AI is, bad at, terrible at, it struggles with vague requirements, conflicting constraints, real-world manufacturing problems. This worked the thing is, this worked last time, but not this time. It has those types of issues, where it worked last time, but it's not working this time. So that pops up a lot. Client communication, design trade-offs, safety decisions. And AI doesn't know what your, why your wing failed, or why your 3D print warped, why a machinist hates that fillet, why weight matters here, but stiffness matters there. And the thing is that knowledge lives in experience, not data. So your knowledge is very important. And here's a real feature of CAD jobs. You won't be replaced by AI. You'll be replaced by someone who knows how to use AI. So remember that. You may want to get yourself into learning AI if you're a CAD designer. The role shifts from person who draws parts to person who decides what the AI should create. That means you define constraints, you validate outputs, you choose what works in the real world, you catch what AI gets wrong. AI becomes a power tool, not a replacement. Just like CNC didn't kill machinists, just like calculators did not kill engineers. If you want to stay relevant, focus on these skills: design intent, parametric thinking, manufacturing knowledge such as 3D printing, CNC, composites, molding, system level designs, not just parts, validation and testing, AI assisted workflows, and cite tools like Fusion 360. The more judgment your job requires, the safer you are. And AI can't, AI won't replace passion projects. AI can't obsess over details, care about flight performance, iterate because it doesn't feel right, build something just to see if it works. That's why hobbyists, makers, and creators aren't going anywhere. AI doesn't dream up airplanes, people do. So remember that. Hobbyists, makers, creators, you're not going anywhere as far as AI replacing you, because AI doesn't dream up airplanes and things like that. Remember, people do. So my final thoughts on this. So will AI take CAD jobs? Routine CAD work? Yes. Creative, engineering-driven CAD work? No. The future CAD designer isn't obsolete, they're augmented. And the ones who adapt early, they won't just survive, they will dominate. If you want more videos on CAD, AI, and designing real aircraft and parts, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.